Never put these foods in the refrigerator. Otherwise, you won't even know how you died. Number 3. Ginger. Ginger has a lot of water and cannot tolerate low temperatures. Once refrigerated, water seeping inside will soften quickly. Then a large number of bacteria multiply. Even if you cut off the moldy spots on the outer skin, there was also molded inside. In fact, it contained a surprising amount of mold. Once consumed, liver and kidney failure can quickly result. Number 2. Onions. Onions are crops that are intolerant to low temperatures. Once placed in the refrigerator, starch is instantly converted to sugar at low temperatures, and mold can easily grow in the refrigerator. So the correct way to store onions is to store them tightly in a cool place. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic sprouts quickly. In cold conditions, eggs will also go bad quickly. After absorbing the smell of garlic sprouted, garlic is prone to mold growth, eventually leading to cancer. The best way to preserve garlic is to seal it. Just isolate the oxygen flow.